Okay, so today I am going to go over the first part of this math review that I sent out. If you did not get this math review and you would like to review it, you can go ahead and follow along. You don't have to have the paper or anything. You could just get some scratch paper and draw a Venn diagram and just follow along that way. So, we're going to be talking about common factors. We're going to be finding the greatest common factor of two numbers. And why is this important? Well, it's important because when we're doing fractions and we need to make equivalent fractions or divide them, we need to know the common factors. If we know the common factors, it'll go a lot quicker. Okay. So, maybe we might have forgotten what are factors. Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. So, for example, 2 and 3 are factors of 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. Can numbers only have two factors? They can have two factors, but some of them have a lot more, especially those bigger numbers. So if we don't know our math facts by heart, you might want to go out and get your multiplication table, or just have a piece of paper next to you, or a scratch sheet, or whatever you have, so that you can go ahead and write out the factors. Okay, so here it is, our example. Fill in the Venn diagram with the factors of 30 and 36. So I kind of set it up over here because that's over here is super small. And first thing I did was I took out a sheet of paper and I started writing down all the factors that all the numbers that multiply together to get 30, and all the numbers or factors that I can multiply together to get 36. And this is what I came up with. 1 times 3 is 30, 2 times 15 is 30. For some reason, I put 20 instead of 10. That's supposed to be a 10. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. And then over here, 1 times 6 is 36. 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times 12 is 36, 4 times 9 is 36, and 6 times 6 is 36. Now I didn't write out 6 twice because I already knew that it was going to be on here. So all of these numbers, the factors of 30 should go up here, and the factors of 36 should go right here. And remember, 3 times 20 is not 30. It's supposed to be 3 times 10. Okay, so the next thing we're supposed to do is that we needed to put these numbers into our Venn diagram. So if we remember, Venn diagram, it has things that are different over here, factors of 30 that are different from 36, the factors of 36 that are different from 30, and then the ones in the middle are the same. So 30, 15, and that's supposed to be 10, and 5. And then factors of 36, 36, 18, 12, 4, and 9. Now the ones in the middle are the numbers that are the same. 1, 2, 3, and 6. So if you don't have that written down, I would go ahead and do that right now. Just remember that this is supposed to be 10, not 20. So what do these numbers in the intersection, which is this part here, have in common? Well, what do you think they have in common? Well, they're all numbers. They're all positive numbers. And they're 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of both 30 and 36. Now, Explain how you can use your completed diagram to find the greatest common factor of 30 and 36. So they don't really give you a lot of room to write it down. So I'm just going to talk it out. Well, we can see the numbers from least to greatest if you put them in that order, but we can also see them right here. And we both know that, or we all know that these numbers go into both 30 and 36. So it's easy because we can just look at it and we can see the number that's the greatest common factor, grading being the highest. What's the highest number? And so what is the greatest common factor of 30 and 36? What do we think, guys and gals? The greatest common factor is 6. Good job. Okay, I'm going to end the example, and if you haven't yet, or maybe you realize that you did the 1, 2, and 3 wrong, you can go ahead and take this time to fix that.